Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add Bootstrap and jQuery to the Angular project. So write this command npm install and then write the packages that you want to install. So write popper.js, jQuery and then Bootstrap along with the flag -- save, which will automatically save all these packages to the package.json file, okay, which contains all the dependencies, contains all the packages that we actually need in our Angular project. So it will automatically update the package.json file. So why we are adding popper.js? This is one doubt, because jQuery depend on popper.js. That's why we are adding popper.js. You can miss that popper.js also. So yeah, all these three packages are now added. So now what we're going to do is we're going to confirm in the node modules package whether all these three packages are installed or not. So let's go down, search Bootstrap, whether Bootstrap is there or not. So yeah, Bootstrap is there. So there is dist folder inside it. Inside that there is CSS, and inside that there are so many files, and we need only the minified version of CSS, which will help us to run Bootstrap. So yeah, there is bootstrap.main.css, which we actually need in our project. So we'll see the path of this and we'll add that path to the angular.json file, which is very important. Why? Because it plays a very important role in building our application. Whenever we build or compile our application, it tells the compiler, it tells the Angular which files to update and which files to change. So yeah, inside the styles, now we're going to write the path of the Bootstrap, which is node modules. And inside node modules there is another folder which is dist, bootstrap, and inside bootstrap there is dist, and inside dist there is css, and then minified version of css. Similarly we will do for jQuery. So we will write inside the script array for jQuery. Path is similar. Inside the node module there will be jQuery folder, and inside jQuery we need to confirm whether there is dist folder or not. So we will see that later. So let's confirm whether there is dist folder inside jQuery or not. Okay, where is jQuery? I'm searching. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, so here is jQuery. So inside it there is dist folder, and inside that there is directly jQuery minified version, so there is no JS folder. So we'll cut that. Okay, so now everything is done. We will just save it, and now we will compile our Angular project by writing ngserve. So let's open a new terminal. Okay, now you can write ngserve and with the flag open, which will automatically open the web page on the port number 4200, as you know. So yeah, it's done now. So yeah, compilation is done. Let's see on the browser whether Bootstrap is updated or not. So yeah, Bootstrap is updated, as you can see. Thanks for watching video.